11 exercises, 20-40 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Let's start with in and out. Sit slightly back, extend legs out, then pull knees into your chest, squeezing your abs. Exercise 2 is Spiderman plank. From high plank or arm plank, drive each knee out to the same side elbow, keeping your core locked. Exercise 3 is leg circles. Lying on your back with hands by your hips, lift legs and draw big circles to target lower abs. Exercise 4, plank with hips dips. In forearm plank, dip your hips side to side in a controlled twisting motion. Exercise 5, reverse crunch. Lie flat, then use your core to lift hips off the mat toward your chest. Exercise 6, crunch and pulse. With legs at 90 degrees, crunch your shoulders up and pulse at the top, squeezing your abs. Exercise 7, Flutter kicks. Line back, lift legs a few inches and flutter up and down, keeping your lower back down.
I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great, recognition, I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position.
Exercise 8, Russian twists. Sit, lean back and twist your torso side to side, tapping the floor on each side.
The pain and hurting. I was main stage with Tiny at a festival. Reality's a cause less than 24 hours pass and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth is more, you make your own curriculum. Study in the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian, walk amongst the greats that you ignore. The ones relentlessly pursuing every key to every door. It's evergreen and evermore if you're content with living normally. I'm handing in my notice to the world on record formally. I know this life is right for me. I know the future's bright for me. I know my teachers lied to me. I do it for the...
Exercise 9, crossbody mountain climbers. In plank, drive each knee to the opposite elbow, moving with control. Repeat.
It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great. Recognition. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position. I'm staying up. It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great. I had to let you go so I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then it should improve. I had to leave to see what I could do alone. And when I get the money, then I'm coming home. I had to let you go so I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then it should improve. I had to leave to see what I could do alone. And when I get the money, then I'm coming home. Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position. I'm staying up.
Exercise 10, bicycle crunch. Pedal legs and drive each elbow toward the opposite knee, fully engaging your core.
It's getting late. You're doing good. I'm doing great. You can see this battle in a man. A fight to the finish. We can war it to the end if you like. Cause you and them see that time's not a thing here when you're being blessed and born to the life. See me, I got a sample of the plan on the 4K image. You can see me spitting bars on the mic. I always go hard, so you better go home. Cause I heard you saying that I'm wrong when I'm right. See the flash of the light, see the ding of the bell, for the brat from the gun and I'm gone. You best believe that I know where I'm from. See the man, them already know that it's on. We all know the hard work pays off. Everybody stays on. No one on my team is ever thinking of the day.
Exercise 11, the last one, is plank with bunny hop. From high plank, hop feet together to one side, crunching abs, then hop back and repeat. For low impact, please to use one leg at a time, so one leg on the left center and one leg on the right center. Repeat like this.
I'll be sit on the stage ready to go. The way that I know you don't know me, I'm the winner. Expert in the game, call me no beginner.
Well done, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you to the next video.